Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but in today's video, I want to talk to you about how you can master your interior design style. So if you're watching this video, you probably already have an idea of what your interior design style is, whether you are contemporary, bohemian, coastal, Parisian, you name it. You already have a grasp of what you want your home to look like. So I want to give you some tips on how you can master that design style, take it to the next level, elevate it, and truly make it your own. So tip number one is to go beyond Pinterest. And I know you've seen tons of videos before of creators just like me telling you to go to Pinterest, look for inspiration, start to pin up your boards, and yes, that is totally fine. However, I think you can go beyond that platform and look for inspiration from books like Architectural Digest or some of your favorite designers like Made for Living by Amber Lewis or Live Beautiful by Athena Calderon. And what's so great about those books is they actually break down each space and what makes it work, what makes it livable, and you can really get some valuable information that you can apply into your own home. Another great tip to source for your inspiration is from your travels. My interior design style is warm, it's neutral, and I like to say it's modern organic, it's vintage, it's eclectic. I like to mix a bunch of those different things, and I couldn't really put into words what my design style is until I stayed at the Santa Monica Proper Hotel. Now, if you guys don't know, that hotel is designed by Kelly Wearstler. When Andrew and I stayed there, I just knew this hotel is exactly how I want my home to feel like. It's inviting, it's warm, it's cozy, and it only took a trip to that hotel for me to realize what my design style is at its core. So make sure you look beyond Pinterest or Instagram and start gathering inspiration from different places like your travels, books, even your favorite movies, and start curating your pieces according to your inspiration. My next tip to master your design style is to shop at different stores. Now, let's say you are very much into the modern farmhouse style and you love shopping at Pottery Barn. So this tip is all about shopping at different stores and curating different pieces from each boutique. Now, this allows you to get a more curated feel in your home, and you can still get farmhouse inspired pieces. The key here is to get different decor or furniture pieces to change up the look in your home so it doesn't feel like you just got it from one store, and this will really elevate your home. Okay, say hello to Marble. How did you get out of your crate? How did you get out of your room? Everybody's busy. So my next tip to master your interior design style is to take a risk. Now, let's say you have a mid-century modern design home and you really want to update it, you want to elevate your space. I say take a risk on lighting because mid-century modern design is all about those beautiful pendant lights or chandeliers, and go big or go home. Don't go for something basic, go for something unexpected. That way, your home feels so unique and so special. I will say that lighting is one of my favorite ways to kind of update a space and take a risk. Okay, so I know that taking a risk is scary and sometimes it doesn't always work out. And when that happens, don't feel like you are stuck with that item, that furniture piece, or that pendant light. You can always sell it online. And I want to say thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. Poshmark is an online platform that you can sell your home decor, clothing, fashion, accessories, you name it. And it's a great platform for you to make a little bit of extra money. Those unused decor items don't have to stay in your cabinet collecting dust. You can list it on Poshmark, get a little bit of extra cash, and you can use it towards your next home decor item. Listing on Poshmark is so easy. All you have to do is snap a few photos of your item, make sure you get all the good angles. I actually want to show you some of the items that I have listed, and this is a vintage German pottery vessel. It's actually so So gorgeous. There's hints of green, yellow. It's signed and numbered, made in Germany. I also have these listed on my Poshmark. They are agate bookends and beautiful natural stone. I actually got these from Pottery Barn. It still has the tag. Another home item that I have listed is actually this Chanel coffee table book. It's really beautiful. You can take off the cover and it will reveal a black, a black hardcover book. I also have a fashion item listed on my Poshmark, which is this stunning Gucci sunglasses. It's like a neon pink with a beautiful logo right there. It has that like rectangular shape, very chic, and I think these were originally $370. I have it listed for about $120. If you are interested in Poshmark, make sure you download the app. I'll have my link down below where you can download it straight to your phone, and you can check out my Poshmark page as well, where I have a lot more home decor items listed. I even have some other designer items listed down there as well, and it's heavily discounted. So my next tip to master your interior design style is to look to your wardrobe. And what I mean by that is the clothes that you have that you love to wear will sometimes dictate what you actually love for your home as well. For example, I mean, look at how this jacket matches perfectly with the color of this lamp. Hello, my entire home is actually an extension of my wardrobe. I love these beigey, neutral tones, warm leathers, black accents, and you can see that all throughout my home with lampshades, art, my sofa, accessories, you name it. So next time you are looking for inspiration to take your home to the next level, look to your wardrobe. Maybe you like to wear a flowy bohemian dress, and that could be a sign to add a little bit of bohemian pieces in your home. Or maybe you like to wear the color tans and browns, and that could be a sign to introduce some warm leathers, some warm wood accents. Actually, I was practicing this tip before I even knew how to put it into words, and one of the first things that we bought for our home was actually a cognac colored leather sofa, and what inspired that sofa was actually one of my coats. Let me actually show you. So I have one of my coats here in my studio, and it is a stunning cognac colored leather trench coat with like the most amazing fringe detail, may I add, okay? And this inspired my sofa. So again, look to your wardrobe next time you need some inspo. Whew, speaking of warmth and cozy neutrals, my Vitruvi diffuser has been diffusing right next to me, and I'm actually using the most luxurious essential oil. It's a complete dupe for the Le Labo Santal 33 scent. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Anyway, it's so good, so yummy. I've been diffusing this for the last like 4 or 5 days, and oh my goodness, you guys, there's nothing better than a good Santal scent. So I'm gonna link that down below, including my diffuser, which is by Vitruvi. It's the most chic, sleek, like ceramic pottery design. I highly recommend her. She comes in white, black. I have it in the terracotta to add a little bit of that warmth that I like here in my home. So my next tip to master your design style, don't be afraid to mix styles. Don't feel like you have to be stuck on one design style. Some of the best and most aspirational homes are more of an eclectic mix, and that's why I love interior design, is like, break those rules. Don't feel like you have to follow your Pinterest board because it's telling you to go farmhouse all the way, okay? Most interior design styles actually bleed into one another. For example, bohemian with Scandinavian, mid-century modern with minimalist, or traditional and coastal. All of these different elements are such a good way to take your home to the next level so that it won't look like a cliche version of your design style that you see all over social media, Instagram, Pinterest. You know that here on my channel, I want to help you take your home to the next level. We don't want cliche, we don't want boring, we don't want basic. We want it to be elevated and truly one of a kind, unique to you. My next tip to master your interior design style is to go vintage. Now, it doesn't matter what your style is, you can always use a little bit of vintage, a little bit of antique here and there to really make your space feel special. And no tea, no shade to big box stores like HomeGoods, Target, Pottery Barn, even Restoration Hardware. If everything you're buying is brand new, it just doesn't feel like there's character or patina in your home. Go for something vintage or antique, and don't be afraid of the word vintage. I know it can sound expensive or intimidating, but actually it's not. It's gonna be the same prices as HomeGoods and maybe just a little bit higher, but the best place to go is online, like I said, Etsy, your antique malls, and you can really find some great deals. Come to think of it, a lot of the stores that we shop at, like Restoration Hardware, has pieces that are inspired by vintage and antiques, but they're actually brand new. A lot of the vessels and artifacts and found looking pieces, they are made to look vintage. Nothing will beat a true vintage piece. You would know if you've been watching my channel for a while that I've been scouring the vintage market like no tomorrow. I'm addicted. I love it. And it's a great way to elevate your space, so make sure you get a little bit of vintage for your home. Don't forget to download Poshmark using my link down below in the description box, and you can also check out my personal Poshmark page. All right, everyone, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you sound off in the comments down below and let me know if you want me to do more videos just like this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone!